Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about ecological relationships. So we have 5 different types of ecological relationships. And these are mutualism, parasitism, commensalism, predation, and competition. Plants and animals living together in an environment make up a natural community, which needs to maintain a certain kind of balance. You already know that some animals depend on certain plants for food. However, if there are too many animals, most of these plants will be eaten. The food supply eventually runs short, and fewer animals will survive. The relationship between a bee and a flower is an example of a symbiotic relationship in which both organisms benefit. As the bee sips nectar, it transfers pollen from flower to flower to help each reproduce. Thus, the bee obtains food and the flower propagates. This symbiotic relationship is called mutualism, a relationship in which two organisms live together, depend on, and benefit from each other. A second type of symbiosis is exemplified by a shark and a small fish called remora. The remora attaches itself to the shark's body, gets a free ride, and feeds on scraps of food left over by the shark. However, the shark is not affected by the remora. The relationship in which one organism benefits while the other is not affected is called commensalism. Another kind of symbiosis is parasitism, in which a bacteria feed on their host and cause diseases. For example, a mosquito carries virus that has been picked up from the blood meal of an infected human or animal. This virus will be transmitted when this mosquito bites another person. The infected organism is the host, or the organism that is harmed by the parasite. Thus, parasitism is a symbiotic relationship that benefits one organism and harms the other. Some other examples of parasites are fleas, ticks, tapeworms, and barnacles. These parasites live on or in the body of their host. Predation is another kind of relationship among organisms. Here, a predator hunts and eats its prey. It includes a spider eating an ant, a frog eating a mosquito, and a hawk eating a rabbit. The spider, frog, and hawk are predators, while the ant, mosquito, and rabbit are the prey. Competition between different species occur when two or more kinds of organisms try to occupy the same niche. The species that is better adapted will succeed. Those who do not may die out. Certain behaviors reduce competition. For example, a population of chimpanzees will have rankings. The older animals occupy the top level. Hence, they have the first choice of food and nesting sites. Often, only they can reproduce.